This exercise involves inverse variation. We're told that the time t required to drive a fixed distance varies inversely as the speed r. We're also told that it takes 5 hours at 60 kilometers to drive a fixed distance. How long would it take to drive that same distance at 40 kilometers per hour? Let's begin by thinking about inverse variation. The variables we're looking at are t and r. If they vary inversely, then they're related by an equation of the form t equals k divided by r. Now, we can find k if we know a value of t and r, and we're told that it takes 5 hours at 60 kilometers per hour to drive a fixed distance. So we can substitute 5 for t and 60 for r, multiply both sides by 60 and get that k equals 300. This gives us an equation of variation for the situation. Substituting 300 for k, we have t equals 300 over r. Now the question asks us how long would it take to drive that same distance at 40 kilometers per hour. We substitute 40 for r, and we have t equals 300 divided by 40. If we simplify, we get t equals 15 halves, or 7 1/2. This is a time, so we want to label it with a unit of time, which will be hours in this case. So we would say that it takes 7 1/2 hours to drive that distance at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour.